The Liberty sit-stand desk arrives in two boxes, one containing the frame and one containing the desktop. Carefully cut away the cardboard to open the package. Use the 8mm M8 bolts to fix the leg to the top bar. Next, attach the foot to the leg using 25mm M8 bolts and an Allen key. Repeat for the other side. Next, take the centre bar and loosen the 4 bolts with an Allen key. Then extend the centre bar to align the 3 holes with the holes on the legs. Secure the centre bar to each leg by fastening 8mm M8 bolts through the 6 aligned holes. Extend the frame to leave a 5 to 10mm gap between it and the desktop edge and centre the leg to the middle of the desk. Use 6 25mm self-tapping screws to secure the frame to the desktop. It's easier to use a drill, but if you don't have one, you can use a screwdriver. If your desktop has pre-drilled inserts, please ignore them. It's because the top can be used in multiple ranges, so ignore these inserts and drill straight into the desktop. Then, tighten the centre bar grub screws that you loosened earlier. Undo the grub screws on the camshaft. First, slot the small end into the non-motorised leg with the grub screws facing up. Next, slot the other end into the motor. Push both ends in to make sure that they're secure, then retighten the grub screws. Next, place 3 stickies on the bottom of the desktop. Plug the power lead into the motor. Then, feed the cable under the camshaft and put the cable ties around it loosely. Place the controller flush against the edge of the desktop and screw into place. Pull the cable into place and tighten the cable ties. Then, trim off the tops with either pliers or scissors. Plug the remaining cables together. Now, move the cables to the side and carefully flip the desk onto its side and then onto its feet. Plug into the wall socket, turn on and remove the final piece of cardboard. Congratulations, your Liberty sit-stand desk is ready to go.